I'm going to ruin expensive AI rigs for you, because this sick new engine can run a 744B model on consumer hardware. So here's why everyone's talking about Colibrì. It's an open source inference engine written in pure C, and somehow it's pulling off something that most people thought wasn't possible. Instead of loading an entire 744 billion parameter GLM 5.2 MoE model into memory, Colibrì only loads the experts the model actually needs for each token. Everything else stays on your NVMe SSD until it's needed. Think of it like Netflix. Instead of downloading the whole movie before you hit play, it streams only the scenes you're watching. Colibrì does the same thing with AI experts, and that's the trick that makes a massive model fit on consumer hardware. The crazy part? You only need around 25 GB of RAM, a fast NVMe SSD with roughly 400 GB of free space, and a CPU with AVX2 support. No enterprise server, no dual RTX 5090 setup, and no hundreds of gigabytes of VRAM. Now, there is a catch. This isn't built for speed. Cold starts are only around 0.05 to 0.1 tokens per second, so you're definitely not replacing ChatGPT or cloud GPUs anytime soon. But speed isn't the point. The point is proving that frontier-scale AI can run outside giant data centers. That's a huge shift for researchers, developers, and local AI enthusiasts. Since the project is completely open source under the MIT license, anyone can study it, improve it, or build on top of it. In fact, the community is already making faster ports and experimenting with the same streaming approach on other massive mixture of experts models. So while Colibrì isn't the fastest inference engine today, it could be the beginning of a whole new way to run giant AI models locally. And honestly, if this approach keeps improving, the gap between consumer PCs and enterprise AI hardware might get a whole lot smaller. If you want more sick AI breakthroughs before everyone else, hit subscribe and I'll keep you ahead of the curve.